Maisy, 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 Maisy. Maisy, Maisy Mouse. Maisy, Maisy Mouse.
Hello, Maisy.
Oh, hello.
I think there's someone at the door. That's funny. There's no one there. I wonder who rang the bell. Oh, it's a little bear. Hello, little bear. And Cyril. Hello, Cyril. I like your bear puppet. Oh, you've got two puppets. A monkey and a bear. And here come Charlie and Tallulah. Come in, you two. Sit down, everyone. Cyril's going to put on a puppet show. Where are you going, Maisy? Aren't you going to watch the show? Oh, where's that frog come from? And a zebra too. Is that Maisy behind the sofa with Cyril? Aha! Are you helping Cyril with the puppet show, Maisy? What are you doing, Tallulah? You're supposed to be watching the show. Ah, I see. You both want to help with the puppet show too. You can have the frog, Charlie. And Tallulah can have the monkey. Right, on with the show. Keep your head down, Charlie. What's wrong, Maisy? Oh dear, there's nobody left to watch the show because everybody is in the show. But I think Maisy's had an idea. Ha ha! What a good idea, Maisy. Now Panda can watch the puppet show. Goodbye, everybody. Have fun.
Maisy, 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 Maisy Mouse.